Hello everybody and welcome to an unboxing video. Don't do too many of these here on the channel, but this is a very exciting lens. Ignore the gloves. It's not that I don't want to touch the lens. I just learned a few days ago how good I've gotten at sharpening my kitchen knives, and trust me when I say you don't want to see that. So, what lens are we unboxing today? Oh yeah. Pentax-D FA HD Pentax-D FA 21mm f2.4 ED limited DCWR, that is the high definition Pentax digital FA 21mm f2.4 extra low dispersion element limited line DC for the direct control or direct current, I forget which. It's off the top of my head, that's for the motor. WR for weather resistant. I haven't opened this box yet. It's been here for 10 days. 10 days I have not had a chance to open this yet. I cannot wait. All right. Rico warranty or something informational card. In order to operate this lens, this precision camera and or lens correctly, please read the operating manual thoroughly before using it. Okay. Anything else in there? This is not a warranty card. It's a serial number card, so just ignore the serial number. You guys all just had 30 seconds to read. Not that it matters. All right, more Rico informational stuff. This is the actual manual right here. Or oh yeah, this is the operating manual. Okay, right there. And let's see, it's a fold-out operating manual. So information about how to switch modes and how to operate on your camera correctly. Here's the actual lens inside its bag. And just to make sure, I mean, I'm certain there's nothing else in here, but we're just going to double check. I mean, if I'm not so incompetent that I can't, you know what, I'm just going to double check later. I can't figure out how to get that thing apart right now. All right. Warning, don't put this bag over your head. Don't do that. Oh, that's nice. That is so much bigger than I expected. Holy cow. All right, so when I saw pictures of this lens, I thought it was going to be about the same size as the 31mm. That is absolutely gigantic. For a size comparison, for those of you who are familiar with the 77mm, there's the 21 next to the 77. That is a gigantic lens. Holy cow. Okay. Standard KAF4 mount. Let's see what the focus throw on this is. Looks like it focuses a little bit past infinity. I hope that's not the case. Okay. Focus throw looks like it's about 70 degrees. We'll see when I test it out if it does focus past infinity. So there we go. That is an absolutely stunning and beautiful lens. It's very wide. All right, I'll tell you what. I look forward to getting to know this lens and at some point being able to make a full round glass review of it. The Pentax-D FA 21mm f2.4 limited. Very, very cool lens. Ooh, has slip gearing, so even in autofocus you can override the autofocus and do manual focus with it. That is slick. Oh yeah, that's good. And of course, everything is internal focusing as well with this lens, right? Let's double check. Yep, complete internal focusing. Very nice. Very excited.